an outlet. And these come from Amazon. Marine grade, 2 USBs, and they have an on-off switch. So I've already made one, which you can see right here. And I'm going to install that in another video on the 125 back there. This is the perfect length for it. It uses this Dorman braided wire loom, which I really like. It is nicer than this plastic. In this video though, you're going to use the plastic. Here's all the connections you're going to need. This is the wire it comes with from Amazon. I'm going to use 14 gauge. Here's your connectors. There's one for that bike. There's the plastic. This is empty. I'm out of that now. So here's all the tools that you need: wire cutters, knife, wire strippers, Phillips, crimper. Here's your connection tools. I like to make stuff really simple, so we're going to use 2 different colors of tape. And with these connectors, this heat gun will shrink wrap these. Alright, got that done pretty quick, took about 10 minutes. So here is something that'll work perfect for a Honda Trail 125, the brand new ones. Here's your terminals, and this is a smaller gauge wire here. So it's got a pink, which I really like because then it's red. And here's your negative. On the positive, there's a fuse. This fuse kind of spins open, so I put red tape on it to prevent it from opening. Know that red goes to battery. Tape the sheeting up every 6 inches or so, and then tape it up here as well. There is your USB. This is marine grade,